Hey guys, I'm Kavan and this is PhotoForge. Hey guys, today is the 30th episode of PhotoForge. We're out here in the rain, because you know it's Washington, they're not going to let us get away with it. And I decided for the 30th episode, why not try and put 30 birdhouses on this tree behind me? So that's what we're going to do. The episode focuses on some duplication aspects, as well as some layering aspects. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today for the 30th episode, we're doing two photos. The first one is going to be me holding this bird cage, looking at the tree with our 30 plus birdhouses. We'll see if we can actually get to 30. And then the second photo is going to be me with a bird on my hand, and I'm going to be looking at it.
When taking the shots of the birdhouses, make sure to get two images of each house, one holding it on the bottom and one holding it from the top. To start our edit, first we bring in our base shot, which will be the shot with our subject. Next, we will begin adding the birdhouses. As I mentioned earlier, we will be using two images per house. The first image will be with my hand under the house, the second with my hand holding it from the top. Place these images over top of one another, blend them together using your eraser tool, and once they look like they are attached by themselves, merge the layers together to make one house. We can then duplicate some of the houses we have placed and move them to different parts of the tree. Just make sure the background and shading of the house images match the tree. Use your eraser tool at a low opacity if you need to do some blending. Once all our houses are placed, save your image and move to Lightroom to begin the coloring process. In Lightroom, I adjust the hues and luminance of the image and then add a very light tint using the split toning tool. To begin coloring in Photoshop, I start with a black and white layer, lowering the opacity below 15%. Then I begin to use multiple selective color tools to achieve my desired look. The first selective color layer, I focus only on the blacks, neutrals, and whites. Each following selective color layer, I focus on the individual colors themselves. Alright, now let's finish this image.
That does it for this week's episode. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And a huge thanks to our show sponsor, BayPhoto Lab. Not only is BayPhoto Lab the best in photo prints, but they also have an endless variety of surface options. And the coolest part, if you use me as your referral, you get 25% off your first order. To do this, click the link in the description below. It'll take you to BayPhoto Lab, sign up with them, make whatever order you want, and you'll get 25% off. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.